Introduction to Harvest Time Tracking.
This popular tool designed to help businesses and freelancers track their work hours, manage projects, and simplify invoicing. In this tutorial, we'll explore how Harvest's built-in features can save you time, improve your workflow, and keep your projects organized from start to finish.
Setting up projects and clients.
Start by adding your clients and creating projects in Harvest. Each project can be assigned hourly rates, tasks, and team members. This structure makes it easy to keep track of who's working on what and how much time is being spent for each client or assignment.
Tracking time efficiently.
To track time, simply use Harvest's timer or log hours manually. You can assign every time entry to specific tasks and projects. The intuitive interface makes clocking in and out straightforward. Seeing where your time goes helps you stay accountable and bill clients accurately.
Streamlining Invoicing.
Harvest can automatically generate invoices from your tracked hours and expenses. Customize your invoices, email them directly to clients, and track their payment status. This automation removes manual calculations and ensures you're paid promptly for your work.
Analyzing reports and improving productivity.
Harvest offers detailed reports on time usage, billable hours, and project budgets. These insights help you manage workloads, spot bottlenecks, and allocate resources efficiently. Regularly reviewing reports enables smarter business decisions and keeps projects on track.
Conclusion and next steps.
By using Harvest's time tracking and invoicing tools, managing projects becomes simpler and more efficient. Whether you're a solo freelancer or part of a team, Harvest can help you focus on your work and spend less time on paperwork. Explore its features to maximize your productivity.